Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we have the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, and on my right, the Holystone HS720G GPS drone. It's gonna be a drone duel to the death. Well, not literally, but you get the point. Let's get started. First up, the Bwine F7. This little guy will set you back $258. Not too shabby for something that can literally fly. The Holystone HS720G, on the other hand, is priced at $299. A bit pricier, but it could offer more features for the extra bucks. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and 2.7K real-time image transmission. Reviewers appreciate its high-definition captures, though some note the lack of a gimbal can make footage shaky. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS720G features a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth and stable footage. Reviewers rave about its clear and stable videos, making it a favorite for aerial photography. The Bwine F7 comes packed with GPS and optical flow modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, and Selfie modes. Users find these features versatile and fun for various activities. The Holystone HS720G offers intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. Reviewers appreciate these user-friendly features, which make it easy to capture complex shots. The Bwine F7 has one key return, low battery return, and connection loss return, which reviewers find reliable for ensuring the drone comes back safely. The Holystone HS720G features emergency stop, smart return to home, and a robust GPS module. Reviewers highlight its reliability and strong GPS capabilities, making it a trustworthy choice. The Bwine F7 is beginner-friendly with a drop-resistant design and comes with 2 batteries for up to 60 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendliness and durability. The Holystone HS720G also caters to newbies with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold. Reviewers find it exceptionally easy to use, even for those new to drones. Summarizing the reviews, the Bwine F7 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and versatile features, though some users noted issues with its camera stability and limited range. On the other hand, the Holystone HS720G is lauded for its smooth footage, user-friendly features, and robust build, despite its higher price point and limited operating range. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 and the Holystone HS720G both bring their A-game to the table. If you're on a budget and want a lightweight, FAA-compliant drone that can follow you around like a loyal pet, the Bwine F7 is your guy. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for smoother footage and a few extra bells and whistles, the Holystone HS720G might be your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.